In this screencast video, I'd like to present the TwinSpace of our eTwinning project. A TwinSpace is the website of an eTwinning project that you get free of charge just by registering your eTwinning project. We are already on the eTwinning platform. We have to log in at the login button, put in our username and password, enter, and we're successfully logged in. So from here, the fastest way to get to our TwinSpaces or our TwinSpace is by clicking on this button here, My TwinSpaces. Now I'm on your TwinSpaces, and you see all the TwinSpaces of all my current and past eTwinning projects, or projects that I took part in. The last project, the current project, is at the top. It's called Different Approaches to Sustainability in France and Germany. And that's the project I'd like to present to you. I click on the title. And here we are. That's our TwinSpace, and that's how any TwinSpace is generally set up. At the top, we have a home button, so the home page, which we are currently on. We have pages, materials, forums, life, and members. Below, we have the title, we have a description of the project, and this is a logo we uploaded. By the way, all images and all videos are under Creative Commons, so they are okay, they are allowed to be shared and used at other places outside their original source. Browse in public mode. Clicking on that text shows you what an outsider, a person looking at this TwinSpace or website from the outside would see. So you see visible is the title of our project, the description of our project, and the project journal to tell the outside world how far our project has proceeded. Okay, I will turn that off again. Okay, every TwinSpace has these sections: pages, images, videos. A teacher bulletin that is useful for communication among teachers, because the teacher bulletin is invisible to the students. The project journal, as you just saw, is visible to the students and to the outside world. So be careful what to post there, and it's just to tell the outside world how far your project is gone. Okay, I'd like to show you pages. That is the first page. Number one, let's get started. Brainstorm about sustainability, a mind map. We asked the students to create a mind map with mind map software they found installed on their computers. It was either FreeMind or Mind Manager, and then to turn it either into a JPEG a graphics file or a PDF file and to upload it to this page. All pages can be edited, but not all pages can be edited by everyone. Teachers, and especially teacher administrators, can decide who is able to see this page. So everyone on the internet, TwinSpace members, or just me, and can decide who can edit this page. So administrators, pupil administrators, so it's possible to turn pupils into administrators with less rights than administrators, but more rights than pupils, teachers and visitors. And the revisions can be seen here, so you can see who changed this site. Yeah, turn this off again. Yeah, we have lots of different pages. Most of them are still empty. This is another idea, a task to present every student's personal profile in a kind of wanted poster. And we embedded a Padlet wall, which is a digital pinboard, into the TwinSpace. And you put your wanted poster on this wall by pressing this button down here. And now you can write your poster. And so on and so forth. Yeah, and all students can put up their posters here and introduce themselves to the others that way. Okay. Yeah, other pages are about technical terms like Erasmus+, eTwinning, and TwinSpace. We thought it important to talk about copyright rights, because students have to respect that too. Yeah, and different topics, as you can see. So lots to explore, lots to see, and lots of pages to be filled, because most pages are just ideas, are just titles to be filled by the students and by the colleagues that take part in the projects. Let's go to the materials. Yeah, materials. Here you can see all the uploaded material, images, videos, and files. And you have to upload it, any image, video, or file that you want to use on your pages. You have to upload that into materials. Then we have forums. You can create new forums. Up to now we have the welcome forum, an introducing each other forum, and a students forum. Then we have live. Here we have a chat function and a live event, so we can create an audio or video conference within TwinSpace. And there's already one event set up, a test event for Tuesday the 14th, 10 a.m. Members would show you all the members and also the rights they have, if they are just pupils, teachers, teacher administrator, and so on. Okay, this was a little presentation of our eTwinning TwinSpace, the website of our common project on sustainability. I hope you enjoyed the little presentation. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.